Friends, please note carefully that now we will be doing the option chain analysis for the month end, that is the last day of the series, which is 28th of January, and this shall help you in getting an outlook for the entire month. So do listen in carefully. Now see, here's the surprise element. So as compared to the weekly series, monthly series is still puts heavy. So over 2.4 crore shares open interest on the put side as compared to only 1.5 crore shares open interest on the call side. So overall, Nifty continues to have relatively higher strength when we look at a longer term basis. The highest open interest is at 13,000 strike. No surprises over there. The premium is only 38 rupees on the put side, and the highest open interest addition today has actually again happened at 14,000 strike of over 4 lakh shares. After 13,000, 13,500 as the next highest amount of open interest, and that provide a fairly strong support level for Nifty overall. On the call side, 14,000 has the highest open interest on the call side, and 14 followed by 14,500. Now 14,000 strike has again witnessed very high amount of open interest addition. What does this lead to? So it is quite possible that in the entire month 14,000 will turn out to be a very strong resistance for Nifty, and this is because we've had very strong rally in the month of December also. Nifty has reached 14,000 mark, although it has closed slightly above 14,000. 14,000 may turn out to be a psychological barrier, and if and when it crosses 14,000, the next strong level of resistance will be 14,500 for the month of January. Now please do note that after Jan end, that is on 1st of February, which is exactly 1 month from today, you will have the budget which will be presented. Now as we go closer to the budget, there will be lots of expectations which will get built in, and there can also be a pre-budget rally. But because the rally in the last few months has already been very strong, it is difficult to anticipate that we will have another round of strong rally. In fact, it is quite possible that we may see some amount of correction. In fact, even in 2008, as also in 2018, January usually tends to make a top. So either towards the end of January or early February, we have witnessed a strong top being formed, and that's why January and February are very notorious for witnessing the tops of very strong bull market. So I would be fairly cautious in this month, and that same signal is being presented even in the option chain, where despite Nifty closing above 14,000 in a very strong bullish environment, 14,000 strike has not seen any unwinding. In fact, it has seen the highest open interest addition, and it also has the highest open interest position. Moreover, the support for the month is fairly away at 13,000 strike, and the next highest support is at 13,500, which is just over 500 points away. Also, please note that from 8th of January, you will have the result season starting with TCS coming out, which will be the second largest market cap company announcing its results for the December quarter. And you will have lots of IT companies and all other companies announcing their results from second week of January. So it is possible that we can have some bit of volatility around the time when index heavyweights announce their results. So that is why we will have to take this series on a weekly basis. But for the month of January, 13,000 should be a very strong support, and 14,500 will be the highest resistance. But 14,000 strike will be a key monitorable, because that has witnessed highest amount of open interest addition for both put side and the call side. So it will be a close tussle between the bulls and the bears, and although till date it's the bulls who have been winning the battle, we'll have to see if bears have the upper hand in this series. Now let's move to Bank Nifty for the monthly series ending on 28th of Jan. So even over here, Bank Nifty is puts heavy with over 24.5 lakh shares open interest on the put side as compared to only 16.6 lakh shares open interest on the call side. This is unlike the weekly series of Bank Nifty, which is actually calls heavy. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty continue to have strong bullish momentum as far as the monthly series is concerned. On the put side, 30,000 strike has the highest open interest at 2.88 lakh shares, and which has also witnessed the highest open interest addition of over 1.06 lakh shares, and that is closely followed by 29,000 strike, which has over 2.29 lakh shares open interest on the put side, and that has witnessed the next highest open interest change at over 71,000 shares. Coming to call side on Bank Nifty, 32,000 strike has the highest open interest position with over 2.27 lakh shares open interest, and which is closely followed by 33,000 strike with over 2.19 lakh shares open interest, and that has witnessed the highest open interest addition of 72,000 shares, followed by 31,500 strike. So effectively in the near term, 32,000 and 33,000 will turn out to be fairly strong resistance levels for Bank Nifty. This is what is the picture at this point of time, and even in my opinion I would agree that crossing 33,000 would be very difficult for Bank Nifty, especially considering that it would mean a new high on Bank Nifty, and when Nifty is at a new all-time high, 14,000 strike, which is in the money, is witnessing very heavy call writing even on the monthly series. That's why it looks at crossing 33,000, and who knows, crossing 32,000 may also turn out to be very stiff for Bank Nifty. But as you have seen that the volumes as of now are fairly low, especially on Bank Nifty in the monthly options, and that is because it is quite easy to have a view on the weekly options for the next few days. Moreover, the premium decay is much faster in the weekly options, and that is why traders prefer writing the weekly options. But my idea of covering the monthly options today was to give you an outlook for the entire month, so that you have the broader trend in mind when you are trading both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Do let me know in the comment section how did you like this option analysis for the monthly series as well, and I hope you have a profitable January series as well as an entire profitable trading year ahead. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the best and have a great year ahead.
You can reach out to me on Twitter, Insta, LinkedIn, and of course YouTube.